Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great, taking care of yourself and studying well. Sagar Yatra, lesson number 6, taken from grade 8 Durva textbook. Yes children, this is a lesson I'm going to explain today. For easy learning of the lesson, what you can do is just open the text and along with me go through the entire lesson. This will definitely help you learn the lesson properly. Sagar Yatra, which means sea voyage, journey by the sea. 10 भारतीयों ने एक नौका में दुनिया का चक्कर लगाया था. 10 Indians had circumnavigated the world or circled the world in one yacht. Here, 10 भारतीय means 10 Indians. एक नौका में in on one yacht or a ship you can call it. दुनिया world का चक्कर लगाया था. चक्कर means to circle the world or to circumnavigate the world. उस नौका का नाम तृष्णा था. The name of that yacht was तृष्णा. यह पहला ऐसा भारतीय अभियान था जो विश्व यात्रा पर निकला था. This was the first Indian expedition which set out on world tour. Here, Bharatiya Abhiyan means Indian expedition. Vishwa Yatra means the world tour. उसी दल के एक सदस्य के यात्रा वर्णन के कुछ अंश. Here, the author has given some excerpts from the travelogue of a member of the same group. Here, dal means that team or the group. Ek sadasya means one member. Yatra Varnan means travelogue, the explanation of the journey. Kuch amsh means some part or few excerpts. Nauka par Jeevan, life on the ship or the yacht. Nauka par Jeevan ati vyast tha. Life was extremely busy on the yacht. Here, ati vyast means very busy. हमारे पास स्वचालन की व्यवस्था नहीं थी, अतः तृष्णा के चक्के व्हील 24 घंटे संभालने के लिए आदमियों की जरूरत थी. Now the author tells as to why their life was so busy on the yacht. He says that they did not have the arrangement of a speedboat or an automatic boat. And that is the reason why, in order to manage the wheels of the boat 24/7, people were needed. Because it was not automated, it was a manual boat. Here, chakke means wheels, 24 घंटे means 24 hours. संभालने के लिए means in order to manage. आदमियों की जरूरत थी. People were needed. हम हर घंटे बाद चक्का संभालने का काम बदलते. Children, as I told you, chakka means wheel. So every 1 hour, they would shift the responsibility of handling the wheels to one or the other person. बदलते means shift or change. एक चक्का संभालता तो दूसरा जहाजों, द्वीपों और व्हेल मछलियों आदि पर नजर रखता. When one person would handle the wheels, all others would keep an eye or they would look out for other ships, islands and the whale fish. Jahaz means ships. Dweep means island, a place which is surrounded by water on all the 4 sides. Whale, machliya means fishes. Nazar rakhna means to keep an eye on something. जो लोग चौकसी से हटते वे अपने कपड़े बदलते, खाना खाते, पढ़ते, रेडियो सुनते और अपनी ड्यूटी के अन्य कार्य जैसे रेडियो की जांच, इंजन की जांच तथा व्यंजन सूची के अनुसार भोजन बनाने के लिए राशन देने का काम निपटाते. Now this is a continuation of the author telling as to why they were so busy on the yacht. So he tells that those people who would finish their job of looking out for the ships or the whale fishes or islands, they would change their dresses, have food, read something, listen to the radio, and they would try to finish other duties, other works related to their duty, like, checking the radio, checking the engine, and to supply materials needed for cooking food as per the menu. So these were the work, it was given to them who would finish off their job of looking out for ships, etc. Here, children now chaukacy means watching or looking out for something or to keep an eye on something. Kapde badalna means to change their dress. Radio ki janch means checking the radio. Engine ki janch means checking the engine. Vyanjan Suchi means menu, food menu. Bhojan banane ke liye means in order to cook. Kaam niptate means they would finish their works related to their duty. एक सदस्य माँ की भूमिका, mother watch निभाता. One member would play the role of a mother. निभाना means to play or to fulfill the role of a mother. Now उसे खाना पकाने, बर्तन मांजने, शौचालय की सफाई जैसे काम करने पड़ते ताकि नौका स्वच्छ रहे. Now this person who would do the role of a mother would cook food, wash all the vessels, and clean the washrooms. And he would do all this so that the yacht remains hygienic and clean. Here, khana pakana means to cook the food, bartan manjna to clean the vessels, shauchalay ki safai means cleaning the washroom, nauka swachh rahe means so that the yacht remains hygienic and clean. माँ की भूमिका बारी बारी से सबको करनी पड़ती. The role of a mother had to be played by each and everyone. In the sense, they had to take turns and play the role of a mother. बारी बारी से means they had to take turns. एकमात्र यही ड्यूटी ऐसी थी जिसके बाद आदमी पूरी रात आराम कर पाता. This was the only duty after which a person could take rest the entire night. Whereas in all other cases, they had to work in between as well. They could not continuously take rest the whole night. Ekmatra means the only duty. Aram means rest. 5 दिनों में केवल एक बार बारी आती और यदि मौसम ठीक रहता तो नींद आ पाती. And this role of mother would come once in 5 days. And if the weather was good, then they could sleep. Ek bar means one time, bari aati means they would get the turn. Mausam here means weather, neend means sleep. इस कठिन दिनचर्या के कारण शतरंज खेलने के लिए या किसी और मनोरंजन के लिए समय ही नहीं मिलता था और न ही बोरियत के लिए वक्त था. Now because of this hectic schedule, they did not get time to play chess or to entertain themselves, and they did not have time even to get bored. Here, dincharya means daily routine. Shatranj means chess, game of chess. Manoranjan means entertainment. बोरियत के लिए वक्त था means वक्त means time, बोरियत means boredom. व्यस्तता खूब थी, there was a lot of busy schedule. व्यस्तता means one being always busy. दिन में एक बार हम नौका पर खुशी का घंटा बिताते. Now, once in a day, we used to spend an hour of happiness on the yacht. Nauka means yacht or ship, and Khushi ka ghanta means hour of happiness. Bitate means they would spend. अभियान दल के सभी सदस्य 4 बजे डेक पर आते और 1 घंटा मिलजुल कर बिताते. All the members of the expedition team, they would come onto the deck of the ship and they would spend this 1 hour together. They would all come to the deck at 4 o'clock. Abhiyan Dal means the expedition team. Sadasya means members. 1 घंटा means 1 hour. मिलजुल कर together बिताते they would spend. मदर वॉच अधिकारी सबके लिए उनकी इच्छानुसार चाय कॉफी बनाता या शीतल पेय देता. Now the officer who was doing the role of a mother, he would prepare tea or coffee according to everybody's wish, or he would prepare cold drinks. Here adhikari means officer. Ichhanusar means according to one's wish. शीतल पेय means cold drink. वह कुछ नाश्ता भी बनाता. He would also make some snacks along with the tea or coffee. Here नाश्ता means some snack. पानी की समस्या, the problem of water. Now during their journey, world tour, they had lot of water problem as well. So here the author gives an incident where he faced this very badly. एक बार बौछार आई, मैं बाहर को भागा, अपना शरीर तर किया और शरीर तथा बालों में साबुन लगा डाला. Now once it rained, not heavy rain, it was just a light shower. So at that time the author, he ran outside, he wet his body and then he applied the normal ordinary soap on his body and his hair. Now bauchar means shower, light shower. Bahar ko bhaga means ran outside. Sharir tar kiya means he wet his body. Bal means hair. Sabun means soap. आकाश में बादल जमकर छाए थे और मुझे विश्वास था कि कुछ देर में पानी बरसेगा. Now the author, he wet himself in the shower and he applied soap on his body thinking that it would rain and he could take bath in the rain itself, because there was a lot of clouds in the sky. Akash means sky, badal means cloud, jamkar chhaye the means it was full of clouds. The sky was full of clouds and he had the belief or trust, he trusted that it would rain in some time. विश्वास means he had the belief. कुछ देर में पानी बरसेगा means in some time it would rain. अचानक वर्षा थम गई, but just the opposite happened. Suddenly the rain stopped. अचानक means suddenly, थम गई means stopped. What stopped? The rain, वर्षा. मैंने 5 मिनट और फिर 10 मिनट तक प्रतीक्षा की, लेकिन वर्षा का नामो निशान नहीं था. The author, he waited for 5 minutes and then 10 minutes, but there was no sign of rain. Pratiksha ki means waited. Namo nishan nahi tha means there was no sign of any rain. साबुन की चिपचिपाहट और ठंडक के कारण समुद्री पानी में नहाने का फैसला किया. So he decided, okay, now I'm going to take bath in the sea water because of the stickiness of the soap that he had applied on his body and because of the cold weather in the sea. So sabun ki chipchipahat means the stickiness of the soap, or thandak means cold. Samudra pani mein means in the sea water. Nahane ka faisla kiya, nahana means to take bath, ka faisla kiya means decided. यह सबसे गलत काम था. And then he realized that that was a very wrong decision or work. Galat means wrong. गंदगी, साबुन और समुद्री जल ने मेरे शरीर पर एक मोटी, चिपचिपी और खुजलाहट वाली परत जमा दी जो आसानी से छूटती नहीं है. Gandagi means dirt. Dirt, the soap and the ocean water or the sea water, when he mixed all of them, the thick layer, which was very sticky and very itchy, it got deposited on his body. He could not remove the soap from his body with the ocean water or the sea water. Gandagi means dirt, sabun soap, samudri jal means sea water, moti a thick, chipchippy sticky, khujlahat wali means itchy, parit means layer, jamadi means deposited. जो आसानी से छूटती नहीं है and you cannot remove that layer easily from your body. आसानी से means easily, छूटती नहीं है means it does, you cannot remove it. मुझे उस परत को छुड़ाने के लिए कंघी और ब्रश का सहारा लेना पड़ा. And he had to make use of the brush and the comb in order to remove that layer from his body. कंघी means comb. ब्रश means brush. छाती, हाथ और पैरों पर उन्हें फेरने से ही छुटकारा मिला. Now, when he, brushed his body with the comb and the brush, only then he got rid of that layer which was sticky and itchy. छाती means chest, हाथ और पैर means hands and legs. उन्हें फेरने से ही, when he brushed the chest, hands and legs with that, छुटकारा मिला means he got rid of the thick itchy layer. नैतिक शिक्षा यही है कि जब नौका पर स्नान करना हो तो अपने पास पर्याप्त पानी रखो या विशेष समुद्री जल साबुन का प्रयोग करो. समुद्री जल में साधारण साबुन का उपयोग मत करो. So he says the moral education or the lesson that you learn from this is that whenever you want to take part on the yacht or the ship, either you keep enough water with you or we should use special soaps which are made for the purpose of taking bath with the sea water. समुद्री जल में साधारण साबुन का उपयोग मत करो. In sea water, we should not make use of ordinary soap. So, नैतिक शिक्षा means moral education, what he learned from this experience. स्नान करना means to take bath. पर्याप्त पानी means enough water. विशेष special समुद्री जल साबुन, soap, sea water soap. साधारण साबुन means ordinary soap. उपयोग मत करो means do not use. नौका पर पहनने के लिए केवल 2 जोड़ी कपड़े होने के कारण हमें उन्हें बार-बार धोना पड़ता. Now, they had only 2 pairs of clothes to be worn on the yacht, and because of that, they had to wash these clothes repeatedly. 2 जोड़ी कपड़े means only 2 pairs of cloth. पहनने के लिए means to wear. बार-बार repeatedly धोना पड़ता means they had to wash. नौका पर कपड़े सुखाने के लिए हमने उसके चारों ओर एक तार बांध रखा था जिसमें हम क्लिप लगाकर कपड़े सुखाते. Now, in order to dry the clothes, they had tied a rope all around the nauka or the yacht, and they would clip the cloths, and this is how they would dry the cloths. कपड़े सुखाने के लिए means in order to dry the cloths. चारों ओर, all around. तार means rope. बांध रखा था means they had tied. तेज हवाओं के कारण अथवा पाल की रस्सियां बांधते समय कभी-कभी कपड़े गायब भी हो जाते. Now, because of strong winds or while tying the rope of the mast, ship's mast, sometimes the cloths would even disappear. तेज हवाओं के कारण means because of strong winds. पाल की रस्सियां means the rope of the mast of the ship. बांधते समय means while tying them. गायब भी हो जाते means they would even disappear. Now, तूफानों का सामना. The author says that the member has mentioned in his travelogue that they had to face storm many times. हम सब इस अभियान के खतरे को जानते थे. We all knew the dangers of this expedition. अभियान means expedition, खतरे means dangers. हमें यह भी ज्ञात था कि शायद हम कभी वापस न लौट सके. We even knew that maybe we would never return. शुरू में ही हमें खराब मौसम का सामना करना पड़ा. In the beginning of the journey itself, we had to face very bad weather. हमें यह भी ज्ञात means they knew. शायद maybe, perhaps, कभी वापस न लौट सके. They would never return. खराब मौसम, bad weather. सामना करना पड़ा, face. हम रुकना नहीं चाहते थे. Even though in the beginning itself they faced a bad weather, they didn't want to stop. इसलिए मरम्मत का काम चलती नौका में ही करने की ठानी. So they decided that if at all whatever repair work are there, they're going to do it on the yacht itself. मरम्मत का काम means the job of repair. ठानी means decided strongly. कैप्टन ऐसे मौसम में 15 मीटर ऊंचे मस्तूल पर चढ़े और उन्होंने एंटीना की मरम्मत की. कैप्टन climbed 15-meter tall mast of this, of the ship, and then he repaired the antenna. Mast of the ship is like, I'll just show you children how it looks. I'm just putting a picture down here. You will know what is the mast of the ship. And he repaired the antenna. Mastul means mast of the ship. Chadhe means climbed. Antenna की मरम्मत की means he repaired. यदि थोड़ी सी भी असावधानी हो जाती तो वे आसानी से मस्तूल से टपक कर समुद्र की गहराइयों में समा सकते थे. Even if he was a little bit of, carelessness, he would have fallen from that height of the mast and he would have drowned in the depths of the sea. Asavdhani means carelessness. Mastul se tapakkar means he would fall from the mast of the ship. Samudri ki gahraiyan means depth of the sea. Sama sakte the means he would drown. मेडागास्कर के पास एक तूफान आया और 12 मीटर ऊंची समुद्र की लहरें हमारी नौका पर टूट पड़ी और उसे पानी से भर दिया. Near Madagascar, a very strong storm came and sea waves of around 12 meters height, they crashed onto their yacht or the ship and filled it with water. Here, तूफान means storm. 12 मीटर ऊंची high समुद्र की लहरें means sea waves. नौका पर टूट पड़ी means they crashed onto the boat. और उसे पानी से भर दिया and filled it with water. अभियान दल के सदस्य अनेक बार समुद्र में गिर गए, लेकिन सौभाग्य से उन्हें वापस नौका पर खींच लिया गया क्योंकि उन्होंने नौका से जुड़ी रस्सियों को अपनी बेल्ट से बांध रखा था. The members of the expedition team fell into the sea many times, but fortunately they were pulled back onto the ship because they had tied their belt to the ropes which were connected to the boat. अभियान दल के सदस्य means the members of the expedition team. सौभाग्य से means luckily. वापस नौका पर खींच लिया गया. They were pulled back onto the ship. जुड़ी means connected. रस्सियां means ropes. Belt से बांध रखा था. They had tied it to the ropes to their belts. केप ऑफ गुड होप का चक्कर लगाते समय भी हम खतरनाक तूफान से टकराए. Now here the member of the team is describing about another dangerous episode that they faced or incident that they faced while on the world tour. Now, while they were circling or circumnavigating Cape of Good Hope, at that time also they were hit by a very dangerous storm. खतरनाक means dangerous. तूफान means storm. से टकराए means they were hit. चक्कर लगाते समय means while they were circling. हवा की गति थी 120 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा और समुद्री लहरों की ऊंचाई 15 मीटर. The speed of the wind was 120 kilometers per hour and the height of the sea waves at that time was 15 meters. Can you imagine, children, how tall those sea waves might have been? 120 kilometer prati ghanta means per hour. समुद्री लहरें means sea waves. ऊंचाई means height. हर क्षण मौत को आमंत्रण दे रहा था. Every second it was as if it was inviting death. That means they were facing death every second. हर क्षण means every second. मौत means death. आमंत्रण दे रहा था means was inviting. हम केप से 5 किलोमीटर दूर बह गए. We were drifted 5 kilometers away from Cape of Good Hope. दूर बह गए means far we were drifted away. हमें लगा कि हमारी नौका किसी चट्टान से टकराकर चूर चूर हो जाएगी. We felt as if our ship or yacht would hit a rock and would scatter into pieces. चट्टान means rock, टकराकर means after hitting, चूर चूर हो जाएगी और हो जाना means to scatter into bits or pieces. हमने अपने जीवन रक्षक उपकरण खो दिए. रेडियो सेट बेकार हो गया. एरियल टूट गए और पूरी दुनिया से अगले 15 दिनों के लिए हमारा रेडियो संपर्क टूट गया. Now, after they faced the storm, what happened was that they lost all their life-saving equipments. जीवन रक्षक उपकरण means life-saving equipments. खो दिए means lost. Their radio set with which they would connect onto the land, even that became useless. बेकार हो गया means became useless because it got filled with water and it's an electronic thing. Aerial टूट गए. Their antenna which gets which directs them or gets signals, it also broke. And they got disconnected from the world for 15 days because they had no radio contact with the land. Aerial means antenna. पूरी दुनिया से from the entire world. Radio संपर्क means radio contact. टूट गया means it broke. They were not in touch with the land for the next 15 days. भारतीय समाचार पत्रों ने खबर छाप दी कि तृष्णा लापता है, जिस कारण हमारे परिवारजन और मित्रगण बुरी तरह घबरा गए. Now the Indian newspapers, they published the news that Trishna had vanished or was missing. Trishna is missing, because of which their families and friends, they became very scared. भारतीय समाचार पत्र means Indian newspapers. खबर news. छाप दी means published. कि तृष्णा लापता है, that Trishna, the boat, the ship is missing. And because of that, परिवारजन means family people. मित्रगण means friends. घबरा गए means they became scared. एक दल हमारी तलाश में भेजा गया, लेकिन वह असफल होकर लौट गया. One team was sent to search for them, but it became unsuccessful and returned. एक दल means team, हमारी तलाश में means in our search. भेजा गया was sent. असफल means unsuccessful. अनुभव बढ़ने के साथ हम नौका को निश्चित राह पर बनाए रखने में सफल रहे. As they became more and more experienced, they were able or they were successful in keeping the boat on the decided path. अनुभव means experience. बढ़ने के साथ means as it increased. निश्चित राह पर means on the decided path. रखने में सफल रहे. They were successful in keeping the boat on its decided path. मुंबई वापसी. Returning to Mumbai. प्रथम भारतीय नौका अभियान दल विश्व की परिक्रमा कर 54,000 किलोमीटर की दूरी माप कर 470 दिन की ऐतिहासिक यात्रा के बाद 10 जनवरी 1987 को 6 बजे मुंबई बंदरगाह पहुंचा. The first Indian yacht expedition team, after completing the world tour covering a distance of 54,000 kilometers and completing 470 days of this historical journey, it returned to Mumbai port on 10th January 1987 at 6 in the morning. So Pratham means first, Bharatiya India Nauka Abhiyan, yacht expedition, Dal means team. Vishwa world ki parikrama means circling the world or circumnavigating the world. Duri means distance, Mapkar means covering. ऐतिहासिक यात्रा के बाद, after the historical journey. Mumbai बंदरगाह means port, पहुंचा means reached. जैसे ही तृष्णा के 10 सदस्यीय अभियान दल ने गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया की सीढ़ियों पर कदम रखे, भीड़ खुशी से चिल्ला उठी, आतिशबाजी छोड़ी गई, बंदूकें दागी गई और हमारे स्वागत में सायरन बजाए गए. Now, as soon as the 10-member expedition team stepped their steps on Gateway of India, the entire crowd, it screamed with happiness. आतिशबाजी छोड़ी गई, firecrackers were bursted, बंदूकें दागी गई, guns were shot, and sirens were sounded in their welcome. In order to welcome them, what all has been done, this is what the member is describing. 10 सदस्यीय अभियान दल. Member अभियान दल expedition team. Kadam means steps. Bheed means the crowd. Khushi se chilla uthi, screamed with happiness. Atishbaji means firecrackers. Banduke dagi means guns were shot. And in their welcome, even the siren was set off. हम में से कई अपने परिवारों से 15.5 माह से बिछड़े हुए थे. Many among us had been separated from their families for 15.5 months. That means more than a year. 15.5 means 15.5, माह means months. बिछड़े हुए थे means they were separated. आपका स्वागत है पापा. हमें आपकी याद आती थी. जैसे प्लेकार्ड हाथों में थामे हमारे बच्चों ने हमें सचमुच रुला दिया. Now, the children of these members, they had held placards in their hands telling, we welcome you, Papa. We used to think about you a lot. And such placards made these members cry. रुला दिया means they made the members cry. लेकिन यहाँ केवल हमारे परिवार ही स्वागत में नहीं खड़े थे, बल्कि पूरा गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया मित्रों और शुभ चिंतकों से अटा पड़ा था. Now it was not only our family members who were there to welcome us. The entire gateway of India was filled with friends and well-wishers. Shubh Chintak means well-wishers. 10 जनवरी 1987 को तृष्णा पर फर्स्ट डे कवर और स्मारक टिकट जारी किए गए. On 10th January 1987, first day cover and mementos were released on Trishna. उसके बाद तृष्णा को खींचकर पानी से बाहर निकाला गया और रेल के 2 वैगनों पर लादा गया ताकि गणतंत्र दिवस परेड में उसे शामिल किया जा सके. Now it was a historical record that India had done. So they wanted to include Trishna in the Republic Day parade. उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट कृष्णा को खींचकर पानी से बाहर निकाला गया. कृष्णा was pulled out of the water and it was loaded on to 2 wagons of the train so that it could be included in the Republic Day parade. खींचकर means pulling. पानी से बाहर outside the water. रेल के 2 वैगनों पर on 2 compartments of the train. लादा गया, it was loaded. शामिल किया जा सके, so that it could be included. शामिल means included. तृष्णा 6 दिनों में दिल्ली पहुंच गई, किंतु हमारी समस्याएं समाप्त नहीं हुई. Trishnah reached Delhi in 6 days, but still their problems were not finished. They still had to face some problems. समस्याएं means problems, समाप्त नहीं हुई means did not finish. उसे उतारने के लिए लंबी भुजा वाली क्रेन चाहिए थी. Now, Krishna was really big, and to get it down from the wagons of the train, they needed a very big crane with very long hands. लंबी भुजा means long hands वाली क्रेन. दिल्ली की व्यस्त सड़कों पर नौका ले जाने के लिए न केवल वृक्षों की डालियां छांटनी पड़ी, बल्कि बिजली और टेलीफोन के तारों को भी ऊंचा उठाना पड़ा. Now, the roads of Delhi are really busy. So, in order to carry Trishna on these roads, they had to cut down the branches of trees, and not only that, they had to raise the electric and the telephone wires running through the routes. So, Delhi की व्यस्त सड़कें means busy roads. वृक्षों की डालियां means branches of the trees. छांटनी पड़ी, they had to be trimmed or cut down. And also, बिजली और टेलीफोन के तारों, बिजली means electricity, telephone के तार means wires, को भी ऊंचा उठाना पड़ा. They had to raise it up so that Krishna could be taken for the Republic Day parade. पूरी रात मेहनत करने के बाद हम जैसे तैसे 23rd जनवरी को परेड की फुल ड्रेस रिहर्सल के लिए झांकी तैयार कर सके. Now, after working hard the entire night, day and night rather, on 23rd January, they were able to make Trishna ready for a trial or trailer. On 23rd January, and they wanted to make it ready for a full dress rehearsal for the parade. Jhanki means trailer, tayyar kar sake means they could prepare. गणतंत्र दिवस परेड में भाग लेने वाली तृष्णा की झांकी अब तक बनी सबसे बड़ी झांकियों में से एक थी. Now, Trishna, which participated in the Republic Day parade, its trailer was one among the biggest trailers because Trishna was really huge. यह पहला अवसर था जब हम में से किसी ने गणतंत्र दिवस परेड में भाग लिया. Now, this was the first occasion that few among us had participated in the Republic Day parade. गणतंत्र दिवस parade means Republic Day parade. अवसर means occasion. हम सेना की टुकड़ी के अंग थे और 26 जनवरी को जब हम राजपथ से गुजरे तो हमारा तालियों से जोरदार स्वागत हुआ. We were a part of the army team. And on 26 January, when we, passed through Rajpath, so at that time, they were welcomed with loud claps. Tukdi, Sena ki Tukdi means part of the army team. Rajpath se guzre when they passed through Rajpath. तालियों से with claps, जोरदार, loud claps. स्वागत हुआ means they were welcome. सागर यात्रा की साहसिक एवं संघर्षपूर्ण स्मृति आज भी हमें रोमांचित कर देती है. The memory of the brave and challenging sea journey, it makes us feel adventurous or thrilled even today. Written by T.C.S. Chaudhary, and the translation has been done by Brij Mohan Gupt. I hope children you enjoyed the lesson. In case of any doubts, please do let me know. Definitely I'll get back to you with the answers.